Ed White. Things weren't different then, were they? The planet was moving at the same speed. The spacecraft and Ed White were moving at the same speed, 7,500 miles per hour. So let's go back and compare what we see nearly 50 years ago. Here we go. Ed White, first man to walk in space. Have a look at that planet moving behind him. It is flying.
It's flying at 17,000 miles per hour, 200 miles above the Earth.
There you go. Same speed, 17,500 miles per hour, 200 miles above Earth, just like the space station.
As White floats in space.
Have a look at the movement here. It is incredible. All you NASA tarts, especially the moron, how's the parallax going here?
Today, those
Let's just keep watching this shit.
are classic.
And all of a sudden, the planet's moving the other way. Look at the speed it's actually moving.
That we did it.
It's at normal speed. You can tell by the voice. I'm not speeding this up.
A glove drifts out of the capsule.
Have a look at the speed and explain how all of a sudden the planet moves the other way. Look how quick this is going. It seems to be going even quicker here. Wow, a lot more cloud here all of a sudden. Let's compare it to this shit. This is the question I asked. There's no movement at all here, Mr. NASA Tards. Come on, Mr. Parallax Man. Let's try and debunk this one. Look at this shit. It's not even moving. As compared to 50 years ago, look at the movement of our planet here. It is absolutely flying. Come on, Mr. Parallax Man and NASA Tards. I want you to debunk this. What's changed in 50 years? Look at this. Absolute stillness compared to this one here. And I'm the dumbest fuck on YouTube, am I? You might want to look at yourself in the mirror, Mr. Parallax Man. Look at the speed 50 years ago, but all of a sudden now, it's slowed down to nothing compared to this.